for ISR platform and those activities as well. We think it's a very good market going forward.
Battery right now.
The battery's dying, Ethan.
Yeah, Ethan.
Battery's dying, buddy.
You gotta charge it.
Yeah.
Look at Bella doing that too. My little fingers.
You guys missed the spot.
Get right over there. Watch out, Bella.
She said, excuse me.
Oh, thank you for saying excuse me, Bella.
She said, excuse me. Hey, those are my feet.
Wow, this little guy's awake.
You don't need the stickers no more, Ethan? I think it's gonna die, Ethan. Watch out, put it down. Put that thing down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, easy little lady. I think it died.
I think it's over.
I want to see the picture.
I'm still filming.
I want to see the pet.
I'm still filming. See, look. We're filming Ethan. See? Now I'm filming you.
Don't take my picture of me.
Don't take a picture of you. Why not? You're a pretty little girl. Is that a boo-boo down there, buddy? You got boo-boo on your leg? Boo-boo?
Ah!
Yeah? Putting a little sticker on there, a little Band-Aid.
This is the toddler cleaning service.
Yeah. I can't think of anything smart to say.
I know. I was waiting for something. The toddler cleaning service. They don't charge anything because they're beginners. Oh my goodness, double.
Just trying to get Ethan to...
I want this.
I don't know if he wants to play with it anymore, Isabella. Oh, he does. There you go, buddy. Isabella, I think it's about dead.
It's not working anymore.
Yeah, battery died.
Why?
Because that's what happens.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, still got a red light, but that's about it, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, pretty girl.
I didn't know anymore.
Alright, guys. No more camera.